Google recently changed the way you access Outlook calendars in the Google Calendar mobile app on iOS. So here's how to enable them. First of all, go into the calendar section in your iOS settings, click Accounts, and make sure you've added your Outlook account and enabled calendars. Once that's done, scroll down to the Google Calendar settings and enable calendars. And you can then open the Google Calendar app. You still won't see your Outlook calendars though, so click on your profile picture top right, click Manage Accounts on this device, and here you can see Outlook and iCloud for that matter if you wanted to enable that. So just enable Outlook, click Done, close that window, and in the menu you can now see your Outlook accounts.